Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Like 600K by the end of that, like in 2 years or something. By the time you're
It's
18,
the best way
that
to
was me.
explain being a developer is that you basically just print money. That's basically what you do. You can make so much crazy money, and you don't even need to work at a big company to make money. For example, after I learned HTML, CSS, a little bit of JavaScript, and maybe a dab of jQuery, I wanted to get some side income. So I was trying to figure out what's the best back-end language to learn. And so I looked at PHP because I can use that with my front-end developer experience, and I can use it for freelancing. And it also is needed with WordPress. So you just hit three birds with one stone. And you get to the freelance world and you start making money through hosting people's sites. You can create the page, host it. You can charge for a maintenance fee too. So, for example, you can walk into a company and say for like a barbershop, like, hey, you guys have a site up? And then so they'll say, no, we don't. Or you can say, even if you don't have that experience, I recommend do something for free. Your first few projects or whatever is not going to be a big chunk of change. Just do something for free, blow your resume up. So, like for me, for example, I went to a barbershop. I actually had a site offer to do the site for them for free, but I charged them a maintenance and hosting fee. So I was charging them $50 a month just for that.
Send me the link to that website
And
right quick. Oh wait,
all
you
right,
sent me already.
yeah. And so, yeah, you make a lot of money hosting. And then, if you do one thing for free in community, they're going to talk about it. Like someone's like, hey, man, I got this guy, he did a site for me for free and this and that. And, of course, when they recommend someone to you, it's not going to be for free. So they're kind of bringing you customers and clients by word of mouth. And before you know it, you're going to have too many clients to even keep up with. You're just going to be like, hey, I'm not accepting any more people. I'm okay. Right now, I have 20. Let me check. Hold on. I have 20. I have 22 clients right now. Some of them I charge 25 a month. Some I charge 50 a month, depending on how big their company is. And I try to stay with small companies because big companies will want all your time and attention, and they may feel like they can tell you what to do a little bit, and it gets kind of annoying. So I stick with small people where you can update their pages and host it with no stress.
Yeah,
I'd rather get a bunch of small clients than two big clients.
unless it's a really fucking big client, eh?
Yeah, well, that's contract work, and I haven't got any huge contracts yet, but that's what I'm leaning towards.
Word. That's what you're leaning towards?
To get some big contract work, yeah. So I think I want to brush up a little bit more on my JavaScript because I know some JavaScript, but it's not where I think I want to be. And so I am almost done with this React course, and I'm gonna go back up and just keep learning more about JavaScript because it's an amazing thing to have on your resume. And people don't know that you can make. Some people knock WordPress down, but man, the market there it's crazy. It's really crazy. You can learn WordPress, how to build like a WooCommerce site in maybe 2 days. You can sell that site to a company for like $1,000, man. And you're like, man, I can't believe this took me 20 hours, and I sold this for like $500 to $1,000, and then I'm hosting them. I'm charging them a hosting fee and a maintenance fee, and it's crazy, man. It's really I see people make some crazy money off that. People quit their normal jobs just to live off freelancing.
I knew an
So
electrician, dude. He was what's it? He was before he was an electrician, he was doing like WordPress and just knocking. He says he was just knocking out freelance websites like that. Yeah, he's a pretty cool guy.
Man, because if you think, even if you start off really slow, right? Say you start off with, I don't know, 10 people within 5 months. I say do a couple free projects, because then you kind of get your feet wet on what you need to learn, and you kind of get, it's kind of different learning with clients, because then instead of doing stuff your way, you get to ask, you kind of challenge yourself a little bit. So say you get 10 clients, right? You get 10 clients, you charge them all $50 a month. That's like an extra $500 in your pocket. And you work with your own contract. So to get people to sign on to the maintenance or hosting deal, you tell them, hey, I will host this for you for $50 a month. Or if you want me to update something for you, add a navigation. If you want me to add so your product's on, I charge $75 an hour, I would say. I charge, because some people charge more than that. So you tell, I charge $75 an hour. So if they keep coming to you, like, hey man, you're wasting a lot of money, just pay me $75 every other week. You might just sign up for that $50 a month, and people will take that. People will definitely take that. And then you just grow your thing from there, man. It's really crazy. And also, I would say try to go to workshops and meetups. You go to meetup.com, see if there's any meetups in your area. And if there isn't, start one yourself. You know, even if you have 3-4 people, start one yourself, and then you can add that to your resume. You know, I had a meetup with JavaScript with 4 people. I taught them this, and it looks really good on you. Especially if you don't have any experience, or you're not going to school to be a developer. It's a huge, like, you know, it looks really good on you.
No, that's true, man. That's absolutely true.
And so also, some people may ask, you know, why would I do a couple free projects in the beginning? Like, why would I do that? So what you do, even though you don't get paid, just think about it like it pays off at the end. So you can say, hey, if I do this for you, can you go to my LinkedIn and add like a little recommendations thing for you, and I'll add like a nice little comment on you, and you just build that up, and that looks good in your resume too.
For real, man. I don't
And
think people understand that. That's probably the best thing they can do for themselves, just to get their foot in the door.
and for me too, I went on LinkedIn, and I just started to add the developers in my area. It may sound dumb. I know I'm not really sure it's good advice, but I just started adding people on LinkedIn, the developers, just add, just build my network up. Just add,
yeah. Software developer,
just
web developer. You was my buddy, man.
I was like, add. And right when you get to your, I want to say, 100 100 people in your network, then people just start hitting messages all the time, and it gets to the point.
Cool, bro.
It gets to the point where you just got to turn it off.
Yeah, dude, I had to turn that thing off, dude.
Man, it's just like, dude,